Have you ever faced a problem where your computer suddenly runs slower than what it usually does? Even though your computer is a brand new one that you just bought a couple months ago, or you have been using your computer for years. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Reza Qureisha Mintir Zawan. I'm a part-time master student at University Teknologi Mara in Computer Science. This semester, I'm taking Computer Architecture and Organization subject, which requires me to produce a short video which entitles How to Make Your Computer Run Faster. So today, I would like to share some tips on how to make your computer which runs on Windows 10 faster, just like a new one. Okay, let's start. There are two ways you can do to speed up your computer. Either upgrading the hardware itself, which requires some money, or performing some simple setting without the need to spend even one single penny. First and foremost, if your computer is using HDD, I would really recommend you to spend some money to buy a solid state drive, or known as SSD. Okay, the advantages of using SSD are it delivers faster load time for games, applications and movies. Because of the technology, SSD are lighter and better and able to withstand movement and droppage. In addition, SSD use less energy, which allow computer to run cooler. If you are not sure what type of hard drive your computer use, you can check through your computer by typing control panel in your search bar. Choose Device Manager and click this drive. From here, you can determine whether your computer is using HDD or SSD. You can get SSD with pretty much cheaper these days. There are a lot of brands available in the market that you can choose depending on your budget. The other way that you can consider to speed up your computer is upgrading your RAM, or known as random access memory. But this step is actually depending on your current RAM capacity and what type of work you will do with your computer. If you are a gamer or always run many programs at the same time, your RAM might need to be upgraded. For this, you need to spend some money on it. If you are using your computer just to do some light work, such as using simple programs like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and so on, then you might not need to upgrade your RAM. We also can speed up our computer by doing some setup to the program. You might need to delete all temporary files that have been stored on your computer. Okay, let's see the step to do this. First, type %10% at your search bar. Go to Home menu, select all files, and then hit delete. Temporary files take up a lot of space. Cleaning those files not only frees up space but also increases hard disk speed and performance. You might need to remove all temporary files once a month, especially when you are adding and using some programs frequently. You also can delete unnecessary files using this cleanup wizard. To do this, you have to perform some simple action by searching this cleanup. Select the drive that you want to clean and click OK. Performing this cleanup allows user to remove files that are no longer needed or that can be safely deleted. It can also speed up and improve the performance of the hard drive on your computer. You can perform this cleanup at least once a month as a part of regular maintenance to your computer. You also can defrag your hard drives to make your computer run faster. Defragment hard drive is very important to reorganize and optimize the usage of your computer storage. It can also speed up file access every time you run any programs on your computer. This is how defragment can be done. First, search and click defragment and optimize drive. Select which drive you want to defrag and click optimize. Defragging your computer can solve and prevent many problems. If you don't regularly defrag your hard drive, your computer may run slowly or may take a long time to start up after you turn it on. If a hard drive is too fragmented, your computer may freeze up or not start at all. You can perform this defragment every month or once for every 3 months, especially if you regularly delete or remove any programs or files from your computer. The next step you might consider is to change power setting on your computer. This might sound ridiculous, but it actually works. You can perform this step by go to Control Panel, go to Power option, create a power plan, and select High Performance. By changing your power setting, you can actually maximize system performance of your computer, but it may consume more energy. Next step is by disabling all Windows animation, or you can choose which animation you like to run. This step is actually can help your computer run smoother and faster. You can disable Windows animation by go to your Control Panel, select Ease of Access Center, click Make the computer easier to see, check on Turn off all unnecessary animation when possible, pause, click Apply, and hit OK. This next step you can perform is to make sure all your software are up to date. Software companies are frequently releasing new updates that optimize for performance as well as improve security most of the time, and at the same time improving power utilization. You can perform software update via Windows Update and click Check for updates. The next step is you may need to uninstall the program that you are not using by removing the unused program. You can do this by searching for Settings, go to Apps, choose Unused Program, and click Uninstall. These unused programs are consuming space and might run on the background that will slow down your computer. Deleting it may free up some space and prevent it from running on the background. Hence, make your computer run faster. You can disable unused programs so that this program will not start up with Windows. This step should make a really big difference on increasing your computer performance, because not only it will speed up the startup of your computer, but you also can prevent unnecessary program runs in the background. You can perform this step by search for Task Manager, go to Startup tab, choose the program that you want to disable, right-click the program, click Disable. But if you don't recognize any of the programs, you are advised not to disable it because it might be important program that must run with the Windows. If you disable it, your computer might be facing software issues. If your computer not performing like it used to be, even though you have taken a lot of ways, you can consider to restore your Windows to its default state. This can be your last resort since it will reset all your personal settings. This step can be done by go to Setting, choose Update and Security, go to Recovery, select Reset this PC and click Get Started. You can choose two options whether to reset PC without deleting your files, or you can choose remove everything to get a fresh start. This second option will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Well, that's all the tips for today. Hope it can help you to speed up your computer and it can be useful to everybody. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.